This is Nancy with Fix This House, and I want to show you something that I did with my refrigerator. It's a Whirlpool Gold fridge with the two doors on the top and the freezer compartment down at the bottom. But the important thing is that it's got a water dispenser and ice dispenser in the door. And what I've noticed is this tray right here, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got like a buildup of hard water in here. And I tried out cleaning it with just a regular sponge soap, and it doesn't work. And so what I tried earlier today was I stuck some of this Kaboom with OxyClean. Let's see if we can get you to see it. Right about there, maybe. There we go. Kaboom with OxyClean, and it says no hard scrubbing. It's bleach free, and I just sprayed this on this side here, and I'm going to actually do it in there too, because I don't know, I never thought of using something to remove hard water or scum from the inside of this. I just figured that I should be able to clean it with soap, but it didn't work with soap. So I let this sit for a while, and I'm going to actually try pulling it off now and see if it's better. See how much scrubbing you actually need to do. I don't really think it's that bad. It just looks really bad. And using an old rag. And it's really surprising because it really did. It took off all the scum and the hard water from the sides. You know, I say water funny. Alright, so this, you can see, I hardly did anything. Let me get a close-up for you. Alright, so it's got some wear to it, and if you look over here, it did all of it except for this little section right here that scrapes off. I'm going to just set it there a little bit longer and let it do its thing. And I think that that's worth being considered, is to clean your tray. This is non-removable tray with some kind of product that removes soap scum or hard water deposits, and I think you'll be in great shape. So there you have it. I'm going to finish it up, and I'll show you after I've let it sit for a while and a final clean. Alright, here it is after the cleaning. And it looks so much better than it did before. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please write them down below, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe button if you'd like. Thanks. Bye.